and welcome to Shifting Gears. Worldwide in the automotive industry, a lot of people are shouting out and suggesting people to go green. But today, we have for you a little bit of orange, which is on the greener side. This is the Pure EV EPluto 7G. ये एक प्योर इलेक्ट्रिक बैटरी ऑपरेटेड स्कूटर है। चलिए इस वीडियो में समझ लेते हैं इस प्रोडक्ट को। What are the features like? How good is the design, the fit and finish? And how good is the performance of this electric scooter?
Pure electric scooters have been in the market for a very long time now. It is safe to say that the market has accepted battery operated scooters more than pure electric motorcycles. The Pure EV EPluto 7G has a very generic scooter design, and that is a good thing. It doesn't try too hard to please and impress with EV quirks, and that makes this design language easy to digest. Pure EV retails two variants of the scooter, the EPluto and the EPluto 7G, and we have with us the 7G variant, which offers better range and better performance. For my height of 5 feet 8 inches, you can see that there is enough space on this EPluto 7G. Even while riding it, I felt at ease and daily city commutes won't be a problem at all. Also, thanks to the universal scooter design, this one blends well in traffic, and it is just the bright color option which pops out and turns heads. Customers have an option of total 6 colorways with this EPluto 7G. Features include a circular LED headlamp with a chrome bezel, some extra chrome as the border of the front apron which flows till the side profile, chrome ornament on the front mudguard, LED DRLs and turn indicators on the front apron, 10-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, telescopic front forks, practical and flat foot floor, carved-out section for the pillion feet, rear side step, contrast body decals, curvaceous rear body panel, single-piece contoured seat, silver-painted rear grab rail, chrome accents for the tail lamp, plastic panels covering the rear wheel components in body color, dual rear shock absorbers, removable battery pack placed under the seat, round-shaped rear view mirrors, a useful lockable glove compartment, and a luggage hook above. With the Pure EV EPluto 7G, you get a full digital LED screen which shows you your mode selected, speed readout, odometer, and battery percentage. You can't see the range left over here, and we wish that this was on offer. Switchgear quality is acceptable, and we think it will improve with more mass production and experience. Your right thumb has access to the mode selector and the park button, and there are some chrome accents on the handlebar too for a premium touch. Interestingly, this scooter also has keyless operation, making use of an external remote key, so you need not have the key slotted in the ignition.
Top speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Range of up to 120 kilometers. Is it good enough? क्या ये स्कूटर आप आपके डेली कम्यूट्स के लिए इस्तेमाल कर पाओगे? Is it comfortable? चलिए इसके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं.
Powering the Pure EV EPluto 7G is a 2.5 kWh patented battery pack coupled to a BLDC motor with 1.5 kW nominal power and 2.2 kW peak power. Within a metallic casing, the scooter makes use of NMC cells for optimum performance. This EPluto 7G also has regenerative braking function, which pushes some juice back into the battery pack while braking and decelerating. The brand claims gradability of 12 degrees and a 0 to 40 km per hour sprint time in 5 seconds. This EPluto 7G has a top speed of 60 km per hour, while the lower priced model can only ride up to 25 kmph. This 7G model has a range between 90 to 120 kilometers on a full charge. The battery pack is removable, so you can charge it anywhere and put that range anxiety to rest. The battery though is a little heavy to move around with. With my weight of 78 kg, this Pure EV EPluto 7G managed a top speed of just under 60 km per hour. For riding it up to its top speed, you will have to ride it in mode 3, which is the highest setting. What really impressed us is the range. We were riding it in mode 2 or mode 3 for maximum amount of time, and even after riding it for over 70 kilometers, we still had almost half the battery charge left as seen on the speedometer. However, the battery bar display on the speedometer has different values in percentage in reality. We started off at 1048 kilometers on the odometer and ended our journey at 1119 kilometers on the odometer, and even after that, we are sure that this scooter could have easily done 20 to 30 kilometers more. If we would have used only mode 1, 120 kilometers would have surely been an easily achievable range number. So what Pure EV is claiming, that number does make sense and you will get that range. I have to mention that we were riding it on a hot sunny day in Mumbai with temperature of over 37 degrees, and we did not notice any drop in performance, which is promising. The ride and handling package is neutral too and very comfortable. It is a very easy and light scooter to ride, and everyone in your family will appreciate it. Tipping the scale at 76 kg, living with this scooter is an easy task even when you are stuck in traffic. Suspension tuning is ideal for the Indian road condition, and the setup is more towards the comfort side, which is a good thing for your daily commutes. The seat is reasonably long and supportive too, so two-up riding should not be a concern. Making lock-to-lock U-turns is also not a problem, as the handlebar does not foul with the rider's knees. Tubeless tires, front disc brake and a rear drum brake ensure that you are aware of what the scooter is doing at all times. Braking performance is sufficient for what the scooter is meant to do. Overall, this is a very sensible electric two-wheeler to own, with a range claim that is actually delivered in real world and a respectable top speed so that you are not a slow-sitting duck on the roads. You will appreciate the package of this Pure EV EPluto 7G. Other fancy electric scooters are priced much higher, have more tech, but then they do not have enough range to take you further. For peace of mind, you have 3 years or 40,000 kilometers of warranty on this EPluto 7G scooter.
So what do you think? कैसी लगी आपको ये Pure EV EPluto 7G इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर? ये आप हमें कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइए. The range is very respectable. आप इस इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर का डेली कम्यूट्स के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा इस्तेमाल कर पाओगे. It looks decent too and it is quite accommodating as well. अगर आपके और कोई सवाल हैं इस इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर के बारे में, do ask me and I will try my best to help you out so that you can make an informed buying decision. See you soon. Subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, press that bell icon, always ride safe and always guys, wear your helmets.